How many hours have you wasted debugging flaky pipelines or patching security holes in your CI/CD? Manual configurations aren't just slow, they're a risk for SAST gaps, dependency vulnerabilities, and zero downtime failures. Meet the advanced CI/CD template skill, your escape hatch from pipeline chaos. We embed security scanning, SAST, OWASP ZAP, dependency checks, blue-green deployment playbooks for Kubernetes and Terraform, automated rollback triggers via Prometheus alerts, and cross-platform templates for GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, and Circle CI, all battle-tested in Fortune 500 stacks. No more YAML nightmares, just production-grade pipelines that don't make you want to scream into a Jenkins console. For DevOps engineers, SREs, platform leads, and anyone tired of being the CI/CD janitor, this is your new superpower. Here's what's inside the Advanced CI/CD Templates skill. First, security scanning baked into every pipeline. Think Bandit for Python, Trivy for container images, and real-time SBOM validation. Second, blue-green deployment playbooks with canary analysis using Istio and Linkerd. Third, automated rollback workflows triggered by Slack approvals or PagerDuty incidents. Fourth, validation tests that simulate production traffic with K6 and Postman. Fifth, multi-platform templates. Yes, even that legacy Circle CI 2.0 config you've been avoiding. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your pipeline's just got a 10x upgrade. No all-nighters required. Installing the advanced CI/CD template skill takes one command. npx quanta-skills add advanced-cicd-templates. That's it. No YAML acrobatics, no config hell. You get the complete skill. Expert level guidance, battle tested code templates, and security playbooks that don't make you Google, why is my pipeline leaking secrets? Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to harden containers, validate blue-green deployments, and trigger rollbacks with a Slack emoji. Yes, your coffee addiction just got a little less justified. Pipelines fixed, sanity saved. Welcome to the future.